Yo, what's up, Crypto Nation? The US government's thinking about holding crypto, and it's not just Bitcoin anymore. Things just got a whole lot more interesting. Bitcoin was the original contender for a US crypto reserve. Limited supply, decentralized, it seemed like a perfect fit. But then came the volatility, the regulations, and the energy debates. Some states are already holding Bitcoin, like Michigan and Wisconsin, but the federal government is hesitant. They're worried about price swings and the lack of a clear regulatory framework. Now XRP is stepping up to the plate. It's fast, it's cheap, and banks already love it. Ripple's been working with financial institutions worldwide, and XRP's speed and low cost make it perfect for government transactions. It settles in seconds, not minutes like Bitcoin, and has almost zero fees. Plus, it's already integrated into some banking systems. Imagine a world where governments hold Bitcoin for stability and XRP for transactions. It's a wild idea, but it could be the future of finance. A multi-asset reserve could offer more stability and flexibility. Bitcoin could be like the gold, and XRP could be like the cash. What do you think the US crypto reserve should look like? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto updates.